Hello everyone. Today we will see that many substances are dissolved in water and many are not. To perform this activity, we have many solid substances with us. One is sugar, then salt, then rice and soil. We can take tea leaves, sand, many things which are naturally available in our home. So, at first, we will mix up sugar with water. Now, I am stirring it well so that the sugar will mix up with water. Now, what we will observe? We will observe that the sugar particles are completely mixed up with water. Now, our second substance is salt. For that, I am taking this much of salt and mixing up with water. Now see, the salt is completely dissolved in water, or see that it is mixed with water. Now I have rice with me. So see, I am mixing it up with water. Now what we will observe? We will observe that the rice particles are at the bottom of the glass. They are not able to mix up with water. Okay. Now I have soil with me. So I am mixing it up. Now see. Soil is not properly mixed up with water. It is also not soluble in water. So what we are observing in this, these are four solid particles we have and we try to mix it up. But we will see that sugar and salt, these two are completely dissolved in water and rice and soil will not. So these sugar and salt are soluble in water and rice and soil insoluble in water as they are not able to mix up with water. So these we did with the solid things. Now we will do with the liquids. For that I have lemon juice with me. You can take vinegar also, and I have vegetable oil. You can take mustard oil. Okay. So first of all I am mixing up this lemon juice with water. You see that I am stirring it and it is completely mixed up. Okay. And our next one is oil. So I am pouring some oil into the water. So I am trying to mix it up properly. Now see. So you can observe that oil is forming a layer at the top of the glass. It is not able to mix up with water. So in these two liquids, so lemon juice is miscible with water and oil is not miscible with water. So in this way, we can conduct this activity at home with different substances which are available. So children, you can try it out. Thank you.